Here's the right one at the right price. This is Jeff with Parker Wholesale Cars in Tallassee, and today I'd like to show you this 2020 Ford Explorer XLT loaded with a 202A package. This thing is absolutely beautiful and it's loaded with it all. Around back, rear park assist sensors, factory tow package. Lots of cargo room, even with that third row seat folded up. Power lift gate, backup camera, rear wiper, rear spoiler. Gorgeous 20-inch alloy wheels with a great set of Pirelli Scorpion tires. Quad seating configuration gives you 2 across in the second row, 2 more in the third row for a grand total of 6 passenger capability. Rear heating and air controls, rear heated seats, USB ports, and a 12-volt outlet. It's Oxford white with sandstone leather interior. Factory roof rack, tinted windows, color keyed door handles. This thing is just as clean inside as it is out. It's equipped with passive keyless entry and also has Ford's exclusive keyless entry keypad located on the door. Power panoramic moonroof, leather bucket seats, dual power seats, WeatherTech mats front and rear, power windows, power mirrors, power locks, blind spot monitor located in your rear view mirror, power liftgate controls, automatic headlights, fog light controls, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel you've got paddle shifters, intelligent cruise, audio controls, trip computer functions, and Bluetooth. Only 58,000 well cared for local trade-in miles. Push button start, touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, factory navigation, backup camera, dual zone climate control, heated seats, driver and passenger, even has a heated steering wheel. Rotary shifter in the center console, keyless entry key fob including remote start, power lift gate release, factory owner's manual, Carfax vehicle history report, and those power panoramic moonroof controls overhead. If you'd like to know more about this 2020 Ford Explorer XLT, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.